Hi folks, we're going to take a look at this logarithm question. So they want us to simplify this logarithm here, and actually I think we're going to take two routes to getting the answer. Okay, so the first thing I hope you see is that the base of this logarithm is 3, and that you've got this 27, which can be written as an exponential expression using base 3. And 243 can also be written as an exponential expression using base 3, because 3 to the 4 is 81, and 81 times 3 is 243. So this is just equal to 3 to the 5. Okay, so there's two routes we can take. So the first thing is just to write the whole expression here using base 3. So let's start with that one and see what answer we get. So here we got log base 3, and so 27 we can write as 3 cubed, and then of course fifth root is the same as exponent 1 over 5, and then in the denominator 243 is 3 to the exponent of 5. Okay, so let's keep going. Log base 3 of this is 3 to the 3/5. Okay, and then here I've got 3 to the 5ths, but since I know that I'm going to want to subtract the exponents because I've got a quotient of two exponential expressions with the same base, let me just put this as an exponent fraction over 5. So 5 can be written as 25 over 5, and so now we can subtract the exponents, rewrite this as a single power. So 3 over 5 minus 25 over 5 is negative 22 over 5. And now, of course, log base 3 of x and 3 to the x are inverses of each other. So log base 3 of 3 to the negative 22 over 5 just gives us the original input of negative 22 over 5. Okay, and there's a solution to this one here. Now, another thing that you might have noticed, and again, this is just to show you that as long as you're performing correct algebraic operations, it doesn't matter what route you take. If everything you're doing is correct, you're likely to get to the same answer. Okay, the other thing you may have noticed is that I've got the logarithm of a quotient. So I could also rewrite this as the difference of the individual logarithms. So here, log base 3 of fifth root of 27 minus log base 3 of 243, and now done the exact same thing. Write each of these individual ones as powers of base 3. So here we have log base 3 of, again, 3 cubed to the 1 over 5 minus log base 3 of 3 to the 5. Okay, this becomes log base 3 of 3 to the 3/5. Okay, log base 3 of 3 to the 5. Again, you just get your original input of 5. And so again, original input of 3 over 5 minus 5, which I'm going to write as 25 over 5. And lo and behold, we get to the exact same answer as expected. Okay, so a couple of ways to do this is to first of all notice that this base can be reused with all the expressions inside the logarithm. So I could have either just kept everything within the logarithm and used my exponential laws, okay, or start by using my second logarithmic law to split this up into two logarithms. But in the end, I still want to write everything in terms of base 3. Okay, that's it for this one.